dressed in a very neat white suit. The man was dressed in an immaculate white suit. These country roads are very dangerous. These country roads are perilous. Your plan is very creative, John. Your plan is innovative, John. The professor gave me a very good mark. The professor gave me an excellent mark. The man was very nice to me. The man was kind to me. The Richard family is very rich. The Richard family is wealthy. Cats are very weak creatures. Cats are frail creatures. The team is very eager to win the deal. The team is keen to win the deal. The manager is a very detailed man. The manager is a meticulous man. I was very confused when I read the letter. I was perplexed when I read the letter. This used to be a very crowded town. This used to be a bustling town. The building was very tall. The building was towering. I need a very short report on this. I need a brief report on this. I feel alone and very worried about my problem. I feel alone and distressed about my problem. You have a very cute cat. You have an adorable cat. I use very colorful colors in my paintings. I use vibrant colors in my paintings. It's not good to be a very shy person. It's not good to be a timid person. My cat has become very skinny. My cat has become skeletal. My sister has a very calm face. My sister has a serene face. There was a very loud noise in the house. There was a deafening noise in the house. Those office buildings are very old. Those office buildings are ancient. The floods left people very poor. The floods left people destitute. A heavy meal makes me very slow in the afternoon. A heavy meal makes me sluggish in the afternoon. Be careful, this is a very sharp blade. Be careful, this is a keen blade. Always be very careful when you go out. Always be cautious when you go out. He writes very boring articles. He writes dull articles. Respecting the rules is a very necessary thing. Respecting the rules is an essential thing. The land was very dry in the summer heat. The land was parched in the summer heat. I couldn't go out because it was very cold outside. I couldn't go out because it was freezing outside. The thief was a tall man with a very ugly face. The thief was a tall man with a hideous face. The empty house was very quiet in the dark. The empty house was silent in the dark. It's 12:40 p.m. to be very accurate. It's 12:40 p.m. to be exact. I mopped the floor until it was very clean. I mopped the floor until it was spotless. A very happy crowd greeted the president. An ecstatic crowd greeted the president. The supermarket was very crowded with civilians. The supermarket was packed with civilians. I saw a very large spider on the wall. I saw a huge spider on the wall. The baby's very little hands were soft. The baby's tiny hands were soft. The kid's mother was very fat. The kid's mother was obese. Yesterday's walk in the mountains was very exciting. Yesterday's walk in the mountains was exhilarating. I was feeling tired and very sleepy. I was feeling tired and lethargic. The new TV show was very bad. The new TV show was awful. Well, my explanation was very clear, I think. Well, my explanation was obvious, I think. This is a very beautiful dress you're wearing. This is a gorgeous dress you're wearing. We have a very big house in the countryside. We have a massive house in the countryside.